Thursday. I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate. What are we making this week, Ross?
Today we're going to make the Witches Brew. We're about a week away from Halloween, and so along with my hard-headed little fella, we're going to make a drink that you can use for Halloween. So we're going to put in about 1 ounce of rye into each glass, and then we're going to have about equal parts cider, whichever you like. Here we're using, I think it's Strongbow. And we're going to use about equal parts ginger ale and cider. So go ahead and put some of that in there. Perfect. A little bit of ginger ale in both of these. And then of course we've got some fancy stir sticks there to, oh, spooky. Stir things up. And we've got a straw here to...
I'm just going to leave mine like that, but...
Okay. All right, let's give this a shot. The Witches Brew.
That looks good. Cheers.
Try it.
I actually kind of like that.
That's not bad.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Cheers, everyone.